What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a little bit of a different type of video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I edit my YouTube thumbnails on Photoshop. So this is gonna be a lot longer of a video. If you guys haven't yet or you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and here we go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to first open up Photoshop, obviously, and I'm going to pick one of my photos that I would use, and I'm just cycling through what I'm going to want to use for this type of video. Let me see. That looks like a nice one. I'll use a well-lit one. So we're going to drag that onto here. Alright, perfect. Just move my screen up so I can see it better. Try to zoom in as much as possible. So what I do here is, for a thumbnail you need to make it 1920 out of 1080 pixels. So I'm going to duplicate the layer just to make a background. And I'll make sure I click this background copy button. I'm going to want to go to what is it? Is it image? Yes, image. I'm gonna go to image size, and we're gonna change the image from 1920 to 1080. Okay, let's make the picture smaller. That's what we want though. It's a little too big. 70%. Cool. So now that I'm here, I'm gonna do some touch-ups. I personally don't think I need to do much touch-ups to this photo, but we could go into the brightness, bring it up a little bit, not too much. Contrast. Contrast is kind of your friend when it comes to editing. You'll notice that with contrast, it makes it a little browner, lose a little more color. So I'm not going to lose too much color. I'm going to leave it right there, probably. That's good. Okay, cool. So I have that. Now I'm going to add words to this photo. And if you're watching this, I don't know what I'm really uploading this video, but this is going to be for the San Diego State 7 Tips for SDSU video. So I'm going to add some words and stuff. Let's see. Big tip, you don't want things to be on the right side of the photo, just because that's where YouTube likes to add all the things, like it adds the watch later button, it adds options, so it kind of covers your tips. It kind of covers your words if you use that. Also, the timestamp covers up on the right side, so I'm trying to avoid that as much as possible. So I'm gonna put here I'm gonna use different words too. We'll go hacked the system. Cool. So now I have that, I'm gonna organize these to make sure they're in order. Cool. So here I'm gonna just pick one. We're gonna, now with my SDSU videos, I like to keep the same color scheme. My font for everything that I use is Gill Sans Ultra Bold Condensed. That's what I'm doing. But for all my SDSU videos, I try to keep the same color scheme. So in this case, I keep it red and black with some white. So in this case, I'm gonna make that stays the same. Hacked is gonna change to white. Change the color to white. The stays the same, and system is gonna change that to white as well. Cool. Got my move tool. gonna move these around to where I can see them. And this is just for now. Hack is fine. The is kind of something I need to put there. System can go over here for now. Cool. And so to highlight these, I'm gonna put a box around them. For a rectangle tool, I'm gonna go here first. Great, that goes there. For hacked, I'm gonna put that. Hacked, click the. And you want to do this so make sure you're layering things, otherwise you're gonna start getting a little confused as far as where things are. And you'll see what I mean. System. Cool. Great. Cool part is if you click and then hold shift and click the next thing, or you can even go control to skip over things, you isolate pick different things, and it's really helpful if you're trying to move two things at once. So with these, I'm gonna move them over here, right? So that's kind of the case. With rectangle, or with rectangle 1, I'm gonna change the color to red, and we can see the eye. And then the word the rectangle for that needs to change to red as well. Great. Away. Now what I use for this is I used a DSLR camera to take the picture. What's going on here? Oh yeah, there we go. I use a DSLR camera to take this picture. The same camera that I use for filming. Honestly, I like using DSLR cameras, DSLR cameras, just because I find them a lot, simpler to take pictures with, and they're a little more HD as well. So yeah. Okay, so I did that. I'm gonna okay that. You also notice in a lot of my videos, I put a little corner piece. So I'm gonna do it with this. And there's probably a better way of doing these things, so I'm gonna deselect that. There's probably a better way of doing these things, but this is somewhat how I do it. So I'm gonna go from the corner over here, pull down, just align it there. And I'm gonna make another one. Same size. Cool, same size. This is gonna make it red. This is gonna go over that one. And you'll see what I do here. That's how my corner piece is right there. Corner piece. I kind of don't want to cover that pineapple. Perfect. Excellent. I kind of see that there's maybe something I could do with this. I'm gonna try different things. And that's the thing about editing, is you want to keep trying things. I don't want to really cover my face. So maybe I do this. I hacked the, put that right there. System. Yeah, let's keep it like that. Maybe the eye, the kind of a weird thing with this eye. Oh, I know what to do. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm gonna move this down here. And again, I'm clicking shift. You can use control 2 and just click the two different things. I could put this right here next to this. Maybe I'm gonna cover the Lysol spray that's in the background. I hacked the, and yeah, this is kind of clickbaitish. It's kind of clickbaitish that I'm using these words, but new YouTuber trying to get views. Cool. So now I have this open space. Like right here, like in this area, this open space. So I'm gonna put something that I can try in there, and I already have SDSU pictures here in my profile. Things are not edited, so I'm going to try SDSU. Yeah, let's try that. I'm gonna put this in there. Now this is just a picture. You could get it, you can get your photos, you know, with the actual transparency. But in this case, I'm going to just, is this a magic select? Quick selection. Quick select, click select all of this. Make sure I keep that. We're going to layer via copy, and it makes a layer right here. So, you know, I have this layer now. What I'll do is I'll bring this out. There's probably a better way of doing this, honestly, but you know, this is how I kind of figured it out without having, you know, under this SDSU logo. It's kind of on a black background, so I guess I could have kept the white in it, but let's see. Let's move it around. Maybe put it right there. No, I kind of don't want to block that. SDSU. And the thing about having a black background is that it kind of messes up your picture a little bit. Maybe put that right there. Let's see that. Yeah, that works fine. Yeah, sure, let's keep it like that. Well, I'm gonna try the logo. So let's put this guy, whoa. Let's go put this window. Let's bring this window back here. Let's alter this. This one, I don't know if I can do a quick selection tool. Let's see if I can. Kind of click everywhere until it picks everything up. No, it's not gonna work. Control Z. Control Z is kind of your friend in these cases. Whoa. And that. Nope. Okay. Let's try here. So I'm just gonna follow the circle around. It's gonna be a little iffy, but I'm just gonna follow it. That's probably be easier with a trackpad, to be honest, but, ah, shit. Oh, can't cuss in this. Following it around. Just do as best as you can. I kind of gave up at that point, because this is gonna be a little smaller. And connect that. Okay, now we're gonna layer via copy. Layer via copy that. Let's bring this guy out right here. Yeah, this one. Let's bring that one out. We're gonna click this guy. Take the layer. Perfect, that's fine. That works fine. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're gonna do that. Control Z. Control Z is kind of your friend. Control Z is the thing that lets you redo things. Yeah, that's fine right there. That looks better than having the SDSU logo. Even though I like the SDSU logo, I'm gonna bring this back to mainframe. Take out this guy, just delete it. We're layer 2, and then we're gonna expand, not too much, just to cover my laptop probably. Yeah, that's fine right there. Cool. And just looking at that, looks kind of fine. I see a lot of empty space up here. I want to add something. I'm gonna try maybe bringing this up. Hopefully I can, unless it's too big. Of course I could bring these a little smaller and compact them. Yeah, let's compact it. Yeah, that looks good. Whoa. Yeah, compact. You kind of want your words, if you're putting words in your thumbnail, you want them to be readable, eligible. I'm just gonna compress it. I'm not gonna shorten it. Yeah, you want them to be able. You want to be able to read them. You don't want to put words in there and people can't read it off of that. I'm gonna make this the same size as that. There we go. The system. Let's not compress it too much. There we go. Cool. Then I might even bring all this down. So I'm gonna click the I, then shift, hold shift on this. I'm gonna go down. We're gonna bring this down right, maybe right here. Yeah, that's good. Cool. And then we're going to File, Save As. I'm gonna save this as a JPEG. I have it on my desktop. I have all my vlogs. So I'm gonna call this vlog number 9. Save that. I want to keep it at large file maximum, quality 12. Okay, that. And it should pop up. I'm gonna open it, bring it over here. And there we go. There's a thumbnail. And yeah, guys, that's how I make my thumbnail. I know it's a long video, but hopefully it kind of helped you out. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if you're using Photoshop. I know a lot of people use Photoshop to use other things to edit their thumbnails. So let me know what you guys use. Let me know if you have any other tips or tricks to use on this. And hit the like button down below. That'd be really helpful. And again, if you haven't yet, or you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.